Good morning, y'all. I'm not gonna do the intro right now because it's very early in the morning. So good morning to each and every one of you guys. I just wanted to come on and show you how I'm gonna be making this simple and basic ham. Now, I done did a ham recipe and I will try to link it above for you. But I just want to come and show you how I am going to be doing this simple ham because this is a part of my gather up your fragments videos, and everything that I would normally use to do my ham with, I don't have. So I am improvising and using what I got, okay? So what I did was, you know that big old flap of fat that be right here? I cut that off and I saved it because this ham is smoked. So I saved it to use that flap of fat and maybe like some peas or greens or something as a seasoning. Okay, so happy Sunday to each and every one of you guys. I hope y'all day is pretty good. I hope y'all gonna have a good meal on the table. So starting out, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my ham and I'm just gonna make some slits down into it. Okay, just like so. Put it right down into this ham. That way when I get ready to add my brown sugar and stuff, it'll just go right down into this ham. Okay, so yeah, it sounds like it's still a little froze down in there. I took this out last night and thawed it out. Okay. Pretty much how big of a slice that you would like to cut your ham when you get ready to serve it, that's how big you want to cut them. However you would like. So it's about the size of the slices that I'm going to serve. Okay. So now what I have a little bit of water in the bottom of this pan.
Hey.
Just enough to cover the bottom.
Hey.
Yeah.
Good.
Hold on.
Before we come back from vacation, I want that.
So this is the inside of the cake, y'all.
Okay, I'm recording. So I got a half a cup of brown sugar. Okay. And I'm just put a tablespoon of cinnamon. And a tablespoon, no, and a teaspoon of cloves. Okay, so normally I would just take me some mustard and pull it all over, but I wanted to try something different. So I have some honey, and I'm gonna take the honey and put it all over and just let it all down on the inside of it. And the reason why I'm doing this is because it's gonna help my brown sugar, cinnamon mixture stick to this ham. So I want to try it with the honey this time and see what it'll do. You know, the honey is sticky, so that should help the sugar stick to it, right? So that's why I put it on there. I think it's gonna be good, y'all. I like to experiment. So just rub it all down on the inside of each flap of the ham. And see, if I had pineapples and stuff, I will take pineapples and stick it down in here. Okay, so now let me hold on. Okay. So now I'm just gonna mix together my brown sugar. Light brown sugar, dark brown sugar, don't matter. Whichever one you prefer. Okay. So now I'm just gonna take this brown sugar and put it all over this ham, all down inside of it, on the outside of it. Just pat it on the, just like so. And this ain't gonna do nothing but as it cooks, melt down into as a glaze over this ham. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do to this ham. And I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna wrap it up with my foil. And I'm gonna put it in a 375-degree oven. And I will let y'all know how long it takes to cook it, okay? So when it's done, I'll be back and show you what it looks like. Alright, y'all. Okay, y'all, it's been, let me see, 2 hours and 10 minutes. And it probably wouldn't have even had to take that long, but I done took the ham out. I kept the foil on it the whole time. So it's just dark because that's just from the brown sugar and the cinnamon and the cloves that I had. But yeah, and so this is what the ham look like. But it is juicy, y'all, and tender. Y'all look at that. It's juicy and tender. You want a piece? There you go. So it's not real sweet. It's not real sweet, but what I did was I don't need, hold on. I don't need for it to be super sweet. But what I did was I took some honey and I just drizzled it on top of it as soon as I took it out of the oven. Just like this. Let's go down in there. And I'm just experimenting, you know, with flavors. That's it. Let it run down on that side. And that's it. So I hope you guys like this budget-friendly version of a ham. Use what you got in your cabinet. Make do with what you got. As long as it's good, it don't matter. All the extra stuff, you know, pineapples and all that stuff, that just be decorations, y'all. So till next time, this your girl Tiana, gonna be me. Peace, love, and blessings to each and every one of you guys. And I hope you guys are having a happy Sunday.